Hello, dear friend. Have you ever felt like your body isn't keeping up the way it used to? Maybe climbing the stairs leaves you winded, lifting groceries feels heavier than before, or your mind seems to fog over at the worst moments. If you're over 50, these changes might feel like an inevitable part of aging. But what if I told you your body still has the power to thrive? I'm Dr. Helena, a physician with over 25 years of experience in men's health and natural wellness. Today, I'm sharing a simple, science-backed blend of 7 natural ingredients, just 1 spoonful a day, that can help you rebuild muscle, boost energy, naturally support testosterone, and reignite your zest for life. Before we dive in, I'd love to connect with you. What's your name and where are you watching from? Drop a comment below. It means the world to know who I'm sharing this journey with. If you have health questions, share those too. I often create videos inspired by your stories. And if this resonates with you, please subscribe and hit the notification bell. I'm here to guide you, step by step, toward a stronger, more vibrant you. Now, let's explore this game-changing blend that could be your key to feeling alive again. The Power of 7, a natural blend for vitality. This blend isn't about quick fixes or synthetic drugs. It's about giving your body the precise nutrients it craves to restore balance, strength, and energy naturally. Each ingredient has been carefully chosen based on decades of clinical experience and peer-reviewed research. Together, they form a synergy that supports your muscles, hormones, brain, and spirit. Let's meet them. Ingredient 1, Peruvian maca root, the spark of vitality. Grown high in the rugged Andes, Peruvian maca root has been a cornerstone of vitality for centuries, often called the Inca's secret for its ability to fuel endurance and strength. Imagine your body as a classic car, still powerful but running a bit sluggish. Maca is like premium fuel, gently revving up your hormonal and metabolic engines. For men, maca supports natural testosterone production, enhancing energy, libido, and muscle recovery without the risks of synthetic hormones. For women, it eases menopausal symptoms, balancing estrogen and lifting mood. Within weeks, many report a renewed sense of aliveness, as if their inner spark has been reignited. If you're with me, type 1 in the comments to let me know you're ready for more. Ingredient 2, ginger powder, the silent inflammation tamer. You likely know ginger as a zesty kitchen spice, but its true power lies in its bioactive compounds called gingerols. Think of your body as a garden where tiny, hidden weeds of inflammation sprout in your joints, muscles, and even brain. Gingerols act like expert gardeners, uprooting these weeds before they spread. Chronic inflammation can sap your energy, cloud your mind, and stiffen your joints, but ginger soothes these flare-ups naturally. I recall a patient, John, who struggled with aching knees. After adding ginger to his routine, he was back to hiking with his grandkids in just 3 weeks. Ginger doesn't just ease pain, it restores flow, helping you move, think, and sleep better. Ingredient 3, pure turmeric powder, the inflammation circuit breaker. Turmeric, with its golden hue, is more than a curry staple. It's a powerhouse thanks to curcumin, its active compound. Picture your body as an electrical grid where inflammation is like faulty wiring, sparking pain and fatigue. Curcumin flips the switch, calming inflammation at the cellular level in your joints, gut, and brain. But Sinhala, Sisainos. But not all turmeric is equal. Choose pure, high-quality turmeric to ensure you're getting potent curcumin. Avoid blends with fillers like cornstarch, which dilute its effects. With consistent use, turmeric can reduce joint stiffness, clear mental fog, and even deepen sleep by restoring cellular balance. It's not a drug, it's a gentle nudge toward your body's natural harmony. If you're still here, drop a 3 in the comments to show you're following along. Ingredient 4, pure cinnamon powder, the metabolic gatekeeper. Cinnamon isn't just for your morning oatmeal, it's a metabolic marvel. As we age, our cells, Doors for glucose uptake can get sticky, leading to energy crashes, weight gain, and brain fog. Cinnamon acts like a key, enhancing insulin sensitivity to let energy flow smoothly into cells. This stabilizes blood sugar, reduces sugar cravings, and keeps your energy steady all day. Studies show just a small daily dose can lower blood sugar spikes by up to 20%, which is vital for preventing fatigue and reducing diabetes risk. Cinnamon is your body's quiet ally, ensuring energy goes where it's needed most. Ingredient 5. Pure cocoa powder, the brain's best friend. Forget sugary hot chocolate. Pure, unsweetened cocoa powder is a treasure trove of flavonols, compounds that boost blood flow to the brain, slow cognitive decline, and lift mood. Imagine your brain as a riverbed, where age has slowed the flow of oxygen and nutrients. Cocoa clears the path, enhancing memory, focus, and even happiness by supporting serotonin production. Its theobromine offers a gentle mental boost, unlike caffeine's jitters. After adding cocoa to my daily mix, I noticed sharper focus and a brighter outlook within days. It's like sunlight breaking through a cloudy day for your mind. Ingredient 6. Pure creatine, the muscle and mind recharger. Creatine isn't just for bodybuilders. It's a natural molecule your body already makes, stored in muscles and the brain to fuel ATP, your cell's energy currency. As we age, creatine levels drop, leading to weaker muscles, shakier balance, and slower thinking. Just 5 grams daily, about a teaspoon, can boost muscle strength by 10–15% in months, improve memory, and support heart health. Think of creatine as a battery charger, steadily restoring your ability to move and think with confidence. It's a game changer for staying independent and sharp. Ingredient 7. Ashwagandha, the harmony restorer. Our final ingredient, ashwagandha, is an adaptogenic herb used for millennia in Ayurvedic medicine to combat stress and restore balance. Chronic stress raises cortisol, disrupting sleep, packing on belly fat, and throwing hormones like testosterone out of whack. Ashwagandha is like a wise friend, calming your nervous system, lowering cortisol, and supporting testosterone and libido in men. When combined with the other ingredients, it ties everything together, aligning your hormones, mood, and energy into a seamless whole. Studies show it can boost testosterone by up to 17% in men, while enhancing mood and sleep for all. How to prepare and use the blend. Ready to bring this blend to life? Here's how to make it work for you. 1. In a clean, dry bowl, combine 1 tablespoon Peruvian maca root powder, 1 tablespoon ginger powder, 1 tablespoon pure turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon pure cinnamon powder, 1 tablespoon pure cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon, 5 grams pure creatine, 1 tablespoon ashwagandha powder. 2. Mix thoroughly until uniform, then store in an airtight glass jar in the refrigerator for 3–5 days to keep it fresh. 3. Each morning, before your first meal, take 1 tablespoon of the blend. Mix it into warm water with a splash of lemon to enhance curcumin absorption, stir into nut milk, or sprinkle over plain yogurt. The cocoa and cinnamon make it surprisingly palatable. Consistency is key. Your body heals through steady, daily care, not overnight miracles. Stick with it and you'll soon feel the difference. What to expect? Your body's awakening. Week 1. You might notice a subtle lift in mood and better sleep. Morning grogginess starts to fade, and you feel a gentle spark of energy, like a car engine warming up. Week 2. Joints and muscles feel looser. Stairs and chores become easier, and mental clarity begins to replace fog, like a window clearing after a storm. Month 1, strength returns, not youthful exuberance, but a steady, confident power. You grip objects firmly, walk longer without breathlessness, and feel a quiet desire to reconnect with life. It's like rediscovering a version of yourself you thought was lost. A new chapter awaits. This journey isn't about chasing youth. It's about reclaiming vitality through nature's wisdom. Maca sparks your hormones, ginger and turmeric tame inflammation, cinnamon balances energy, cocoa sharpens your mind, creatine rebuilds strength, and ashwagandha restores harmony. No drugs, no side effects, just your body, nourished as it deserves. If this inspired you, leave a comment with your thoughts or just a simple, "I'm here." Share this with someone who needs a fresh start, and subscribe with notifications on to join me for more. Your body has carried you this far. Now it's time to give it the care it's been asking for.